Good morning. Happy Wednesday, guys. I am happy to wish you good morning today and wish you almost spring break. Woohoo. I know it's kind of crazy, not like normal spring break. I know some of us might have been looking forward to vacations. Now we're going to have staycations instead. But one of the things I am looking forward to is actually sleeping in a little bit. Well, maybe. I don't know if the dogs let me. Sleeping in a little bit, actually not being on my devices as much, because during the day right now I'm always on the computer or my iPad or my phone so that I can help you guys and see you guys. What else am I looking forward to as spring break? A couple projects, a couple crafts I want to do maybe around the house. I started a quilt like 15 years ago. It was a really long time ago. And I've never had the time to finish it because of sports and my kids and everything else. So I'm thinking maybe this quarantine will help me finish it. I don't know. Or maybe if I do, I promise I'll show you guys what it looks like. So up for today. For today you have math. Math today you are going to do, what was it? I just posted videos. Finding volume. So the first few problems are a little bit different than what we did in class. It's having you identify some 3D shapes. So I gave you a video that's going to give you the names of these 3D shapes. So watch that first. And then the second video is going to help you remember how to calculate volume using unit cubes. Some of you really liked that method, some of you not so much. So it's going to walk you through how to use both counting cubes and then using just counting layers of cubes and multiplying. So I know that you'll do fine. By the time we were done with volume, you guys were all rock stars, so you'll be fine. In reading today, you're working on your project still. I am, however, going to post a Google form. I want to kind of check in and get a feel for where we are with these projects. Ideally, I'd like them done by the end of this week. And I kind of got the feeling yesterday in our Zoom that some of you hadn't even started. So I'm going to put a Zoom out there. It's all confidential. Mrs. Ermelin and I are the only ones who see the answers, just to check up and see where you guys are at. So that way, if we need to reach out to any of you individually and offer some assistance or clarify some questions, then we can. Okay, so look for that Google form and please fill it out. Even if you're done your project, fill it out. There's going to be a box in there where you can check, I am done. Okay, let's see, what else? No science today. I'm not going to post a new science lesson today. And when we get back from spring break, we're going to do an Earth Day kind of project-y type thing. So I'll talk more about that when we get back. Writing today. Remember today, writing this week, we were just catching up, finishing up writing that you didn't finish, typing writing that maybe you hand wrote, and now if you've got a little bit of extra time, if you could type it in a Google Doc for me, I would really appreciate that. It makes it easier because then you can send it right to me and I can grade it right away. What else? I think that's it. Don't forget to check in on the special areas Google Classroom if you haven't already done that. I will post the code in this message on Google Classroom so that way you have it. We will Zoom today at 2 o'clock, so I look forward to that, seeing all of you guys. Don't panic if I'm a few minutes late getting it started. We have a staff meeting Zoom at 1 o'clock, so if it runs over, it may be a few minutes late. If that's the case, I'll send a reminder out so your parents know, so that way you can not panic. We'll get it started, okay? All right, guys, have a wonderful day. See you later.